Hi everyone, welcome to eVidya Bag channel. In today's session, we will discuss about whole numbers. In the first class, we have already seen predecessor. Okay. Next concept we have seen in the last session is successor. And last thing is addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Okay, we have seen already all these things. In today's session, let's move to exercise 2.1 in the NCERT book. That is, write down first question. Write next three natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, first question is 10999 given. Write down next natural number for this one. How do you write next natural number? Means successor. Okay, just add +1 to this. You will get 9 plus 1 0. 9 plus 1 0. Again you will get 1. 9 plus 1 0. 1 1. They asked in the question next three natural numbers. So again this is one natural number. Now add one more plus, then +1, then you will get 0. Okay, this is another natural number. Again add +1. Okay, you will get, this is one more natural number. Okay, if you add +1, again you will get +3. This is 11002. This is one more natural. What are the next three natural numbers? Right, next three natural numbers for 1099 they asked +1. Okay, if you add +1 again you will get this one, and if you add +1 again you will get this one. So 1 2 3, these are the next three natural numbers for the given question. So write here 11,000, 11,001, 11,002 are next three natural numbers for 10999. Okay, next question. See here. Next question. Write three whole numbers. Write occurring just before 10001. Okay, write three whole numbers occurring before 10001. Okay, we already know that whole numbers starts from 0. Okay, 1 2 like this. Just before they asked, so what you do, just do -1. So you will get 0 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, next write three whole numbers. Next three whole numbers occurring just before this one. So again -1, then you will get 9999, 9099, 9,999. Again -1, you will get 9,998. Okay, this is the answer. What are the next three whole numbers occurring just before this number 1 0 0 0 0, 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. These are the three whole numbers. Okay, next question. See here, which is the smallest whole number? Third question is, which is smallest whole number? Whole number. Which is the smallest whole number? Answer, we know that whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So we can say that 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, next question. How many whole numbers there between 32 and 53? What is the question? How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? How do you do? Okay, whole numbers. What is the meaning of whole numbers? Is a collection of positive integers. Collection of positive integers and 0. Okay, excluding fractions and negative integers. Excluding fractions and negative integers. Okay, this is the nothing but whole numbers. Okay, means what is the meaning of this? 0 and positive integer means 0, positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53 means, how do you do this problem? Just subtract 53 minus 32. One more thing you have to remember here is, just do minus 1. You will get the answer, that is 21 minus 1, that is equal to 20. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? 20 whole numbers. Okay, this is the answer. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? 20 whole numbers. Okay. See here, in the previous question, here I asked that just before. Okay, right, next 3 natural numbers they asked. Okay, here they asked just before 1001 they asked. Okay, now I am going to use one more word, that is, what is a successor? Okay, here in place of the next we are going to use successor, means next numbers. Okay, predecessor, in place of the just before we are going to use predecessor. Okay, so here, see here, this is the question. Write the successor of first question 2440701. How do you write successor? Means next numbers. What is the meaning of successor? Next numbers. So how do you do? Just add plus 1. You will get the value. Okay, this is homework problem for you. Okay, same way, what is the successor of 100199? Okay, what is the successor? Just add plus 1 over this and you will get answer. This is a successor. Okay, now see here, one more question. Write the predecessor. Write the predecessor of 94. Second question, 10,000. How do you write predecessor? See here, in case of the successor just we add plus 1. In case of the predecessor just do minus 1. Okay, you will get, what is value? So sorry, here just 93 value. Okay, if you minus this one, what is the value? Just do the homework. problem for you. This one is these three are the homework problems for you. Okay, just comment and comment session these answers. Okay, thank you. In the next class we will see about the properties of whole number. Next class, properties of whole numbers. Okay, thank you very much. Keep in touch with eVidya Bag channel.